In this essential Google Calendar tutorial, we are going to cover the most important feature of all, how to invite people to a meeting. If you need to add guests to a Google Calendar event and make sure everyone gets the invitation, this is the simple guide you need. You've been using Google Calendar to manage your own schedule, but that's only half of its power. A calendar isn't just a diary, it's a tool for collaboration. The real magic happens when you can send an event to other people, and it automatically appears on their calendars, allowing them to accept or decline. And you don't want to just text someone, "Are you free on Tuesday at 10?" And in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to invite somebody to a meeting in just a few simple steps. We'll do this on the computer, as it's the clearest way to see all the options. All right, let's schedule this meeting. The first step is to open your Google Calendar on your computer. You can also open the Google Calendar on your phone. I will use my computer, so I will just open a browser and put on the address barcalendar.google.com. You're going to create your event just like you always do. I'll find a time slot and I'll click on it. A small box will pop up. I'll give my event a title, like My Special Event. Now, before you click Save, look in that pop-up box. You will see a field, usually with a little person icon, that says Add Guests. This is the most important field for this task. Go ahead and click right in that box. You can now start typing the email address of the person you want to invite. If they are in your contacts or your company, Google Calendar will suggest their name, and you can just click on it. You can keep adding as many people as you want to this list. I'll add a couple of my colleagues here. Once you've added your guests, you can also add other details, like a location or a video call link. Google Calendar makes it easy by automatically creating a meeting link for everyone with Google Meet. Now, this next part is absolutely critical. After you've added your guests and all your details, you will click the blue Save button. The moment you click Save, Google Calendar will show you another small pop-up. It will ask, "Would you like to send invitation emails to new Google Calendar guests?" This is the final step. You must click Send. If you click Don't Send, the event will be created, but your guests will not be notified. They won't know about the meeting and they won't be able to accept it. Clicking Send is what shoots that official invitation email to everyone's inbox, allowing them to click Yes, No, or Maybe. Once you've done that, you're finished. You'll see the event on your calendar, and you'll even see who has accepted or declined right inside the event details. You have successfully sent a Google Calendar invite. Let me check the invitation. You see what the email looks like. A person needs to click the Yes button, and they will confirm that they will be there. When somebody confirms that they will be there, a check icon will appear at the bottom of their picture on the event page. When you add guests to a Google Calendar event, you can also control what they are allowed to do. After you've added your guests, look for the Guest Permissions section. By default, guests can see who else is invited and can even invite other people. If you're planning a surprise or have a strict guest list, you can uncheck the box that says Invite Others. If you need to reschedule, don't worry. Just drag and drop your event to a new time. When you do, Google Calendar will again ask if you want to send an update email to all the guests to notify them of the new time. Always click Send to keep everyone in the loop. What if you run into problems? The most common issue is that you know you invited someone, but they say they never got the email. First, ask them to check their spam folder. Second, the problem is often a simple typo. Go back into your event on Google Calendar, check the guest list, and make sure you spelled their email address 100% correctly. If you clicked Save and you didn't see the pop-up asking you to send the invitation, it's probably because you didn't add any new guests to an existing event. But don't worry. You can always open the event again, click the pencil icon to edit, and next to the guest list, you'll find a Send Update or Resend option. So we have reached the end of our guide. We've learned that inviting people to a meeting in Google Calendar is an incredibly simple process. It's all about creating your event, finding that all-important Add Guests box to type in their email addresses, and, most crucially, clicking Send when you save the event. This is the simple, professional way to make sure everyone is on the same page and, most importantly, that they actually show up. I truly hope this Google Calendar tutorial helped clear up this process for you. If it did, please give this video a like It's a simple click that really helps the channel. And if you're interested in more guides on how to be a Google Calendar Pro, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. What is the next big event you're planning to schedule? Is it a work meeting, or are you trying to organize a fun get-together with friends? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.